Hello, I'm Miss Kim from the Elyria Public Library, and this is Baby Steps, a program of activities for your very young child with materials that you already have at home. And today we're building tunnels. Very, very simple. All you need is some paper. You can use anything, instruction paper, cardstock, printer paper, tablet paper, any kind of paper that you happen to have at home. Okay, and you fold it down about 1 inch on both sides. And then you're going to make the tunnel. And I just taped down with masking tape. So I'm going to put masking tape on both sides here. Okay. Now, you want to make sure your tunnels will fit your cars. You can use any kind of cars that you have as long as you have a big enough paper to cover them. This is a fire truck. You can use any vehicles you happen to have. This is a racing car. This looks kind of like Batman's car. And you can, if you would like to draw a road, you can do that. If you would like to draw a parking lot, you can do that. If you would like to add whatever to the side trees or houses or anything, make your tunnels. You can put them on a table. You could put them on a desk. You could put them on a tile floor. You can put them, this is a piece of styrofoam board. You could put them on a poster board. You could put them on a big piece of cardboard, just depending on what you have at home. So have fun using your tunnels. Bye.